Hi guys, Mark with Custom Dynamics. Today we're going to do a little install of a new product of ours, the 12-volt power port that we have. Comes with the power port and a harness. I'm going to install it on this loose Tour-Pak here because it's really easy to install. This goes on 14 and later Tour-Paks. So without further ado, let's get after it. As I'm here at the Tour-Pak, all you're going to need is a T20 Torx bit to remove these screws, actually the ones down here, to remove the tether on the inside. But you're going to want to lift your Tour-Pak up, open it up like so. You're going to take these two screws out right here, but you're also not going to just let it go to fling it open. So this is a very simple install. The 12-volt power port, which is what we see right here, is actually just going to go in behind this and sit right there nicely. So what I'm going to do is take these loose. I'm going to hold this tether at the same time so my Tour-Pak lid doesn't go flopping in the wind there. So hold that tight. Once the screws come out, you have a hold of it. Now, I'll get that all twisted up there either. Grab your power port, set it in between, stick the screws back in. Get it started a little bit, like that. Same for the other side. You guys can see that. Thread it right back in. Just like that. There you will see that it's secure in there. There's a rubber bumper on the back. Obviously if you have a liner, you'll have to remove the liner and get this in between, but it adds as a cushion for the liner. And it has a USB-C and a A port. And it has a digital readout as well. Here's the harness. You'll use this harness, plug it in. Most of the exit points will be in the front left-hand corner there. You'll run those down and essentially just put these to the battery. Very simple. On the later bikes, we found that there's actually a connector for this that we can plug into the bike. We'll go over that a little bit later. Show you some add-on extra stuff. But this will fit 14 and later Tour-Paks. Instead of having the cigarette lighter, it actually is made for charging your cell phones and everything with the USB-C. It'll tell your voltage, all of that. Real nice package, looks good, better than a 12-volt lighter hole that Harley likes to put in there. So this is just a much cleaner look. Like I said, real easy install. Just run the wires down, hook it up, positive, negative battery, and you're done. Alright guys, I have this hooked up to a very weak battery, but you can see the readout there. You can also turn it off, turn it back on just by pushing the button there, and it will read it very accurately. There's about 5.7 volts in this battery. It's a very low battery, just a bench battery there, just to test it to show you, see what it actually looks like. But that's it. Very clean, very nice, and it's very accurate.